Hey gorgeous people, welcome back to my channel. So on today's episode of our healthy food recipes, I'm presenting you red bell stuffed peppers. I'm going to be showing you how I made this highly nutritious and insanely delicious red bell peppers, stuffed peppers. So to start, I'm going to be introducing you to all our ingredients. The first ingredient you'll be needing is cheese, grated cheese. The next thing you're going to be needing is 2 medium-sized eggs and black peppers. You're just going to be needing a bit of black pepper. And the next thing is onion herbs. You can use parsley, you can use basil, it depends on what you have. But for this recipe, I'm using onion herbs. The next thing you'll be needing is breadcrumbs. You're going to be needing a lot of breadcrumbs. And the next thing is sausages. I'm using turkey and chicken sausage for this recipe, and as well as your peppers. So we're getting right into it. The first thing you're going to do is rinse your bell peppers before you start, which I already did before I started this video. Then cut off the peppers and make sure you remove the seeds from the peppers, remove the white stuff that is inside the peppers, remove everything that you can see inside the peppers. You just want an empty pepper without anything inside. So the next thing is, while you're cutting off the head of the peppers, I'm going to remind you not to throw away the heads, because you're going to be needing it in this recipe, like I'm going to be showing you in a bit. So just stick with me, and I'm going to be showing you how and what I'm going to be using the head of the peppers that I cut off to do. So guys, did you know that aside of the extremely nice taste of the red peppers that you can eat even raw, cooked, in any form that you want, it also has a lot of vitamin C and antioxidants. And according to experts, the health benefits of red bell peppers, or also the yellow peppers, is that it can help to control chronic diseases. It can help to reduce chronic diseases like cancer, like heart diseases, and it can also help to alleviate the symptoms of arthritis and asthma. And also eye health is very great for your eyes. So guys, if you're someone that has been sleeping on bell peppers, I will urge you to start making different recipes on red peppers, on bell peppers in general. I mean, I love the red ones more because of the taste, and it's really fleshy. So I really enjoy the red ones more. But the yellow ones are also not bad. But for this recipe, you can also use the green ones if that's what you have. But I prefer the taste of the red ones or the yellow ones. So that's why I'm using the red ones and the yellow ones for this recipe. So guys, it's not every day you're going to be eating rice and stew. Do something else. Eat something else. Come on. Eat something different. Eat something healthy. And I hope that you get to try this recipe. It's highly nutritious and very delicious. So aside from the fact that this recipe is really highly nutritious, and it can also aid in weight loss, because the ingredients is basically vegetables, which is bell peppers, and ground turkey or ground sausages, as you prefer. And also, if you're into keto diet, it's a great source of keto diet. So next thing we're going to do is bring our sausages into a bowl. If you're using the beef sausage or using the pork sausage, it's all good. But for this recipe, I'm using the chicken and turkey sausage because this is what I prefer. So it all depends on what you prefer. So we're going to bring this into a bowl, and we're going to mash everything together like I'm going to be showing you shortly on this video. So here comes the part that I like the most, the cheesy affair. So you can add as much cheese as you want. The cheese is never enough. Just add as much cheese as you can take. If you're someone that doesn't like cheese, I really don't know what alternative there is for cheese, but you can always look it up. But for this recipe, we're using a lot and lots of cheese. It's a cheesy affair.